Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving the headphones enough juice. Plug the USB cable for at least 30 minutes if battery is low so startup is reliable. Once charged, pick up the left ear cup. There's the multi-function power switch you need. Press and hold the power button for about 1 second to turn them on. You'll hear a chime and see the LED flash. This is the quickest way to initiate the boot sequence and prepare for pairing or playback. Once done, check the audible and visual cues to confirm the headphones are active. A chime and a voice prompt like power on tell you they booted correctly. If the LED is blinking, they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. This is why you should enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer now. Make sure to choose Beats Studio 3 from the list. If you don't see it, hold the power button longer to force pairing mode so the headphone radios can be rediscovered. You finish by testing audio and adjusting onboard or device volume to a comfortable level. This confirms a clean connection. If the headphones fail to respond or won't enter pairing, perform a hard reset by holding power and volume down simultaneously for around 10 seconds, which clears glitches. If problems persist, check for firmware updates via the Beats app or your device. Updates fix Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.